Most VPNs give you basic protection, but what if you could take your privacy even further? Imagine browsing from a public cafe or hotel Wi-Fi knowing your data is not only encrypted once, but twice, and that ads and trackers can't even reach you. That's where FastestVPN's advanced privacy tools come in. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to use WVPN and the built-in ad blocker to lock down your online activity without sacrificing speed. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and even if you've never used features like these before, we're going to walk through them step by step. What they do, when to use them, and how to apply them in your own setup so you stay secure everywhere you go. Let's get into it. So first off, what is FastestVPN? FastestVPN is a virtual private network service that comes with encryption, a no logs policy, decent server coverage, and some extra features aimed at privacy beyond just hiding your IP address. It's based in the Cayman Islands, which means it's outside many surveillance alliances and doesn't have mandatory data retention laws. Because of that, FastestVPN isn't just about streaming or bypassing geoblocks. It's appealing for users who care deeply about privacy, of course, but also want tools to reduce tracking, block ads, and obscure their online activity further. And that's why the advanced features we'll cover today actually matter. Now, let's go ahead and dive into some of the key features. Starting off with the double VPN. One of these standout items in FastestVPN's feature set is the double VPN, sometimes called multi-hop in other services. What this does is route your connection through two separate VPN servers, not just one. That means your traffic is encrypted, sent to a first server, encrypted again, and then sent to a second server and then out to the internet. The benefit here is that even if someone managed to monitor one node, they would still have a harder time tracing it back to you. For users handling sensitive data, researching privately, or traveling through risky networks, this adds an extra layer of protection. Next is the ad blocker and malware protection. Another feature that is often overlooked in VPNs but included with FastestVPN is the ad blocker and malware protection module. This isn't just about removing annoying ads, it's actually about blocking trackers, malicious ads, pop-ups, and domains known to serve malware or phishing attacks. In many privacy workflows, stopping ads and trackers reduces your exposure to data harvesting and convert tracking networks. For example, a review found that the ad blocker successfully removed ads on social media and YouTube during testing. Next, we're going to talk about the kill switch and no logs policy. So while we're focusing on the advanced features today, it is important to mention that FastestVPN also supports the essentials, a kill switch to prevent traffic leakage if the VPN connection drops, and a strict no logs policy. These foundational protections support the effectiveness of the advanced features. Now, let's go step by step on how to use these features. Here is how you can enable and use these advanced options in FastestVPN. First, you're going to open the FastestVPN app on your device. Make sure it's fully up to date so all features are available. Once you're inside the main interface, you'll navigate to the settings or features menu. Look at the section labeled featured, advanced, or settings. Within that menu, you will look for the double VPN option. If you select it, you'll choose one of the available double VPN servers. These servers route your traffic through two hops by default. You select the server, then connect just as you would a normal VPN server. Once connected, your traffic is moving through two encrypted layers. Next, for the ad blocker, you will find a toggle or switch labeled ad blocker or block ads and malware. Turn that on depending on the app version. This may automatically enable protection for browser-based ads, trackers, and malicious domains. You may then be able to fine-tune it by specifying whether you want strict blocking or allow some less intrusive ads. Before you begin browsing, double check that the kill switch is enabled in the settings so that if your VPN connection fails at any time, your internet connection will be shut off and your data will not be exposed. After all these settings are configured, you simply use your device as you normally would, but now you have an extra layer of protection. When you're done using the double VPN or the ad blocker's stricter mode, you can switch back to a regular server if you prefer faster speed. The key point is that these advanced features are optional, but knowing how to enable them and when to use them gives you more control over your privacy. Now, when to actually use these features? You might ask, when should I actually turn on the double VPN or the ad blockers? So here are some practical real-world situations. So if you're connected to a public Wi-Fi at an airport, hotel, coffee shop, or co-working space, turning on your double VPN increases your protection. If you're working on government networks networks, handling client data, doing research, or connecting to corporate systems, WVPN is super, super helpful. If you notice a lot of ads, pop-ups, or tracking on certain websites and you want a cleaner browser experience, definitely enable the ad blocker. It's also great if you're using devices that you share or travel with and want to reduce cross-device tracking. It's also great if you're in a country with strict internet surveillance or censorship and you want to make your traffic harder to trace. Conversely, you might skip these advanced modes when you need maximum speed, such as streaming 4K online or playing competitive online games where the extra VPN hop could add latency, as well as if you're on a trusted home network and focused on convenience rather than maximum privacy. Also, if you're doing tasks which don't require high privacy or tracking protection. Understanding when to turn the features on and off is what separates basic VPN use from advanced privacy workflows. Now, let's talk about the different pricing options for FastestVPN. If you use our exclusive link down below, you can actually get access to FastestVPN for life for just $40, a one-time payment. What's also cool is they even have a 31-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't love it before the first 30 days, you can get your money back. The plan includes WireGuard protocol, password manager, 10 multi-login, P2P optimize, no logs, as well as an internet kill switch, free malware protection, free NAT firewall, 256-bit AES encryption, and unlimited server switching. You can stream on things like Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, and so much more. I wanted to mention too, if you need more than 10 logins, it's $4 for an additional device. If you want to add a dedicated IP, that is just $1.49 per month. And if you want to add port forwarding, that's $1.20 per month. So again, FastestVPN is one of the most affordable options out there, especially with their lifetime special deal. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the pros and cons. So FastestVPN gives you access to true advanced privacy tools. WVPN means you can add an extra encrypted hop without needing a separate service or complicated setup. The built-in ad blocker and malware protection reduce both annoyances and real tracking risks by blocking known malicious domains and ads. For users who care about privacy and want more than just hide my IP address, this is a very strong offering. Additionally, being based in the Cayman Islands outside the major surveillance alliances adds credibility to its no logs policy and overall privacy stance. Now, the main trade-off is that running WVPN will typically slow your internet connection a little because of the extra hops, so it's not ideal for high-speed tasks like 4K streaming or low-latency gaming. Also, while the ad blocker works well, it might not be quite as sophisticated or comprehensive as dedicated ad blocking solutions. Some platforms note that split tunneling or advanced features may have limitations on certain operating systems. Now, let's talk about some additional tips to get the most from FastestVPN's advanced settings. Number 1, when you enable WVPN, start by testing your connection speed. Some tasks handle slower speeds better than others. If you notice slowdowns, switch back to standard server for those tasks. Number 2, use the ad blocker in browser sessions where you're doing heavy research, visiting many unfamiliar websites, or clicking links in emails. It will reduce tracker loads and potential malicious ad exposure. Number 3, if you often use streaming services that misbehave when a VPN is on, consider keeping those services on a regular server and only flipping on advanced modes when you're doing privacy critical tasks. Number 4, maintain separate profiles. Create one profile for privacy mode with WVPN and ad blocker and strict settings, and another for everyday mode with regular VPN. This mental distinction helps you decide quickly when to turn which mode on. Number 5, review your connected devices. If you have many devices active simultaneously under a VPN plan, ensure your advanced settings are applied across devices consistently, so you don't have to inadvertently leave one device unprotected. Number 6, always keep your VPN app updated. Advanced features often require the newest version to work properly, especially encryption protocols and ad blocker blacklists. So, should you choose FastestVPN for advanced privacy? If you take your online privacy seriously, if you travel often, use public Wi-Fi, work with sensitive information, or simply want to reduce tracking and ad exposure, then FastestVPN is certainly worth considering. The inclusion of WVPN and a functional ad blocker gives your capabilities that many other VPNs don't include at this price point. On the other hand, if your priority is maximum speed, streaming smoothness, and you rarely deal with high-risk networks, then you might not need the advanced settings every day. In that case, you could use these features occasionally or choose a VPN based on speed and streaming performance instead. Ultimately, if you're comfortable occasionally switching modes from everyday speed mode to advanced privacy mode and you want more control over your protection, then yes, FastestVPN is such a strong pick. Using a VPN is great, but using a VPN that gives you extra control over privacy is even better. With FastestVPN's double VPN and ad blocker features, you can step up your protection when it matters without making things super complicated. Try enabling the features for your next public Wi-Fi session or research project and see how it feels. If you want to explore FastestVPN and try these features for yourself and get their special lifetime deal, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand privacy tools and security features in a very super beginner friendly way so you can stay safe online without feeling overwhelmed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.